Hey, peace viewers and subscribers, this is Shawn this evening. I'm going to do a little video on people the first time doing computer builds, some helpful tips and tricks that may help you out in your future build. Now, if you have a motherboard that doesn't have a USB Type-C on the motherboard, they can plug in your front components so you can use your front USBs on your computer. You can buy adapters that turn the USB 2.0 into the USB Type-C. You can plug that directly into the board, then you plug your cable in. Now let's say you have a USB Type-C and a normal USB as well. You can use one of these, which is called a Y splitter, which there it is there for the USB 2.0. And basically what happens is you just plug the blue part into the board, and then you take this adapter that has the USB on it, and you put it in the cord, like so. And that's what it looks like. And then you just plug your USB Type-C in there, and then just plug in your normal USB 2.0, which is a nice helpful tip. And a nice little future tip. So basically it take it easier for you to make one of these hook up to your motherboard. So, and the other option too as well, you can buy a USB Type-C card for PCI Express. If you do have any available ports, or if your video card's covering them, you may need a riser cable to be able to put it under your video card and run the cable up to be able to use that as well. So there is some other options out there too. And my board just has USB Type-C on the back, but it doesn't have the ability to connect it to your front panel. So this is when this comes in. So in the future, when you do a build and you're stuck and you don't know what to do, here's a little helpful tip for you. And you have yourself a great evening. If you like these videos, just hit like and subscribe at the bottom. And I do thank you for your time, and do tell your friends and get them to sign up today. And Gadget is signing out.